Cassandra's heart raced as she stared at the ultrasound screen, disbelief flooding her. The image shattered her perception of Reggie, her beloved pet python. She had brought him to the vet suspecting illness or strange behavior, but the reality was far worse. For weeks, Cassandra had unknowingly misread Reggie's intentions. She'd slept with him curled around her, feeling comforted by his presence. But now, the way he coiled and watched her with his penetrating gaze seemed terrifying. What she thought was affection was actually a predator's assessment. In the quiet town of Bar Harbor, Cassandra's unusual pet made her a subject of whispers. Neighbors found her bond with the massive snake strange, worried for their own safety. But Cassandra was undeterred. She'd rescued Reggie from abandonment and felt a deep connection with him. Unlike noisy dogs, he was quiet and needed minimal care. To strengthen their bond, Cassandra began sleeping with Reggie wrapped around her body, a living blanket. Night after night, his steady breathing soothed her. But then troubling signs appeared. Reggie refused food, became agitated, and seemed larger than before. Worried, Cassandra took him to Dr. Hansen, an exotic animal vet. After exams and an ultrasound, the vet's expression darkened. Reggie's stomach was empty, unusual for a growing snake. Dr. Hansen gently explained that Reggie was sizing her up as prey. Despite Cassandra's protests, the reality was chilling. Reggie's bond was a predator preparing for a meal. Back home, Cassandra confirmed this terrifying truth. She placed a mannequin in bed, scented with her own smell. Reggie coiled tightly, cracking the plastic, proof he had been ready to strike. Heartbroken but pragmatic, Cassandra arranged for Reggie to go to an exotic pet rescue center. Their bond was real, but instincts were stronger. She realized letting her guard down could cost her life. In time, Cassandra found solace volunteering at the rescue center. There, she met Kami, a tiny chameleon who instantly captivated her. Though different from Reggie, Kami brought new joy and companionship. Her neighbors, once wary, grew accepting, fascinated by the chameleon's color changes. But then Kami fell ill, refusing food and losing her usual vibrant hues. Back to Dr. Hansen they went. X-rays revealed small objects inside Kami, decorative terrarium pieces she had swallowed. Cassandra felt guilty but agreed to a risky procedure to save her new friend. The surgery succeeded, and Kami slowly recovered. Cassandra removed hazards from Kami's habitat and adjusted her care. Their bond deepened, and Cassandra became a more responsible pet owner, learning the importance of safety and attentiveness. Through heartbreak and healing, Cassandra discovered resilience and the true meaning of love. Not blind trust, but respect for nature's realities. Her story, once about sleeping with a python, became one of growth, acceptance, and enduring bonds with animals. With Kami by her side, laughter returned to Cassandra's home, marking a new chapter filled with hope and cautious love.